Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our third lesson, the Earth major water bodies. So, as the water bodies are the that is oceans, river, sea, lake. All these come under the water body. So, large part of the Earth's surface is covered with the water. Now, come to the lessons. Large part of the Earth's surface are covered with the water bodies such as ocean, sea, river and lake. While oceans and sea have a salt water, river has a fresh water. That means ocean and sea have a salt water and river has a fresh water. Lakes may have a fresh water or a salt water. Come to the picture, let's see. There is an equator dividing the globe into two parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. We see that the northern hemisphere land are more and water bodies are less, whereas in southern hemisphere the water bodies are more and land is less. So that is why the northern portion is called the land hemisphere and another is called the southern hemisphere. Look at the map of the world in 3.1. We will notice that the equator drawn through the middle. The equator is an imaginary circle drawn on a globe exactly half between the two poles. It cut the globe into two, that is called an hemisphere. We will notice that the greater part of the land masses are in the northern hemisphere. That means land masses are in the northern hemisphere. That is why this part is called land hemisphere of the globe lying on the north of the equator. Therefore, this hemisphere is often called an land hemisphere. Most of the southern hemisphere is covered with ocean and sea, so it is called an water hemisphere. Now, oceans. What are ocean? The vast area of the water surrounding the land masses on a earth's surface are called the ocean. There are four major oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Together they cover most of the 90% of the total area under the water. Now first is the Pacific Ocean. This is the largest ocean of the world. It is spread all over most 1/3 of the globe. The greater depth of the earth's surface, which is the marine trees, lies under this ocean. That means the largest ocean of the world is the Pacific Ocean and the greatest depth of the surface is the marine trees that lies under the Pacific Ocean. The shape of the Pacific Ocean is generally circular. On one side America, on the other side Asia. So on one side it is America and other side is Australia, Asia and Australia. In the northern it is linked with the Arctic Ocean. In the south, Pacific Ocean is largely open, hence it merges with Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. Next is our Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, this is the second largest ocean of the world, but area is half that of the Pacific. Its shape as an S. To the north it merges with Arctic Ocean. It extended up to Antarctica. It is bounded on the west by North America and South America and east to the Europe and the Africa. This is the location of the Atlantic Ocean.